and this also strengthens the body. It improves memory. Actually, that's because central nervous system is going to be influenced by the oil application. It improves the memory, and it is good for eyes and anti-aging. Skin, anyway, everybody knows that once you do the oil massage, it is the skin is soft and smooth. Anti-aging, because it inside the body also it has got very anti-aging effects, and when you do oil massage from outside, it prevents the wrinkles and maintains the elasticity of the skin. And then it is Gandusha. Gandusha means gargling with the oil. You take sesame oil or the medicated oil as per the prescription, put it inside your mouth and pull it and hold it like that for some time. Some time back, I don't know whether any of you know, it was a very big storm-like thing everywhere. People used to do the oil. It's called as oil pulling. Somebody has spread the word about this, what is there in Ayurveda, and it became so popular that everywhere there were so many books. Early morning, if you talk to anyone, everybody will be with the oil. Nobody talks to no one. So it was people were mad after it, because it was said that it treats all the diseases. So people, especially in Andhra Pradesh, I know, because it was happening there, so many books were also published, and hold the oil inside the mouth for some time, and it really works. It's not that it clears all the diseases, but it is very good for the health. This is, the oil, the medicated oil or the sesame oil. Anything can be taken and just hold it inside the mouth. Fill the mouth with the oil and hold it for few minutes. And that also is a treatment-like thing. And otherwise, medicated oils are Arimedadi Thailam and Bala Ashwagandhadi Thailam. These are also used for the putting inside the mouth. And it strengthens the joints of this jaw. And voice becomes very clear, and the gums, it works wonders on the gums. You don't need to go to any dentist after you do this regularly, like the gargling with till oil every day. And it improves your perception of taste. And mouth ulcers is a very common problem with many people, and especially those who have stress quite frequently come to us with the mouth ulcers. So this prevents and clears the mouth ulcers also, and relieves toothache. So for all the mouth disorders concerned with the mouth, this works as a preventive if you use only the sesame oil. If there is any problem, you can consult a doctor and use the medicated oils for the gargling. At least 3 to 5 minutes. See, you will have some salivation and all, it's okay, but you have to just hold it like that. And even if little oil goes inside also, this is no harm, because these are used for internal use also, and then spit it out.
Before brush, after brush?
After brushing only, after brushing, because otherwise before brushing means you will consume all the other bacteria also into your body. You clean your mouth and then use it. But on empty stomach, not after food. And then it is Murdha Thailam. Murdha Thailam is applying oil on the head. It is done in various ways. It is 4 types of application of oil is given. That is called Abhyanga, Sirodhara, Pichu and Sirovasti. Oil is applied on the head for various diseases, and this also can be used as a preventive measure every day at home. I'll just explain about the 4 types now.
This thing is very costly.
So if you go to a center and do it, it costs you, because the Bombay especially, and the oil, you have to pay for the everything, no? See, instead you can...
we can actually...
See, at home, Sirodhara is difficult. You need all the equipment for that. You can follow the other techniques which can be done at home easily. Sirodhara, you can't do it at home. You need to go to a center where the establishment is there. Dhara is very, very good, but it is little expensive. But when you compare it with other modern techniques or modern treatments, it's nothing then. Whenever you have to think about, you have to just compare it with other.
Once a year,
it's good. It's not must. It has got its own benefits on the body. The Siro Abhyanga is application of oil on the head, and doing gentle massage. This can be done by everyone. Just apply oil, warm oil, and do massage for 5 minutes at least. And experience the difference, how you feel after doing the massage. And this can be done with, again, the til oil or the coconut oil, or Brahmi Tailam, which is very, very relaxing, and it stimulates the brain and improves the memory also. And Amalaki Tailam is the Amla Tel, which is very good for the hair and also for anti-aging effect on the body. So these oils can be used as preventive, as I told you, on all the oils can be used as preventive measures also. And they have extra benefits like relieves headache, premature graying and falling of hair, it's very good for that. And strengthens the skull bones, increases hair growth, promotes very good sleep. So just do oil massage at home at night and go to bed. You get very good sleep. You don't need to take any medicines and all, no disturbed sleep. And improves the perception of the sense organs. This is Sirodhara. Earlier I told you just apply oil and massage, and this one it can't be done at home because you need the equipment, because oil is put in the container and the patient or the person has to lie down on a bed, and the oil is poured onto the forehead from a particular distance at a specific force for some duration. Continuously it's there, it's very relaxing, and it is very good for the central nervous system also. Lukewarm, just lukewarm. We never use any hot oils. It causes unnecessary problems rather than treating. Just warm. And this is very good for Vata. It relieves mental stress and nervous tension, enhances circulation in the brain, improves memory, nourishes the hair and gives good sleep, and calms the body and mind. Which is what is needed for health is calm brain, where you don't have any unnecessary irritations or aggressive feelings, tensions and all these go up, so that the nervous system works properly and controls the body to have a healthy body. So this can't be done at home. For this you need to go to any center and get it done. And then one more thing is Pichu. Easy to do at home, very easy to do at home. Just a piece of gauze or cotton is soaked in medicated oil and just put it on we call it as this area as the Brahmarandram. So you keep it there, that serves as a medicine and that serves as a preventive aspect also. It corrects hair fall and cures wounds on the scalp, and even otherwise generally also you can just keep it there to have a soothing feeling and to balance your Vata also. Earlier days all the children they were applied like this only, or the babies, infants, dip the cotton in the oil and put it on because for them this fontanelle is not closed for few months. So they always keep the oil on the skull like this, and that increases the quickness of the hole has to be closed. Slowly it happens, it increases, it quickens the process, and it helps in preventing all colds, coughs and all. For that they use this Pichu for the infants, and this can be used by everyone, anyone. Yeah. Whatever you do on the head, it helps the eyes. It doesn't have any negative effect. It helps the eyes. It soothes and reduces the burning sensation, and it stimulates the nerves also. Very good for eyes. Anything done on the head, it's good for eyes. Pichu is the whatever cloth is used, we take the gauze cloth and dip it in oil. That itself is called Pichu. The substance, oil, it's not connected with the oil. The substance, the cloth or the gauze, whatever we are using, is called Pichu when you dip it in oil. No, not the system. This substance, the cloth, you just fold it, dip it in water. Like this is a mouse, that is Pichu, that's it. Not any connected with any disease and all. That is the small piece is called Pichu. Yeah. Next one is Sirovasti. You might have seen some photographs also. So they have a cap-like thing, like all the cooks have, They keep one leather cap on the head and put a large quantity of oil inside the cap and make the person sit for some time. So the oil and the pressure of the oil both work on the brain and relieve so many problems like headaches, eye disorders, sleeplessness, especially in facial paralysis. When it comes to diseases, facial paralysis, it gives very good result. And dryness of mouth and nose and loss of